Hi everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name still remains Samos, and as I told you, I'll be taking you through basic computer skills. And today, in this video, I want to teach you the basic terminologies in Excel as an introduction to Excel. In what we call Excel, Excel is a Microsoft uh, software which we use for calculating. Okay, we can use it for calculating. We can use it for keeping record. We can use it for tabulating our record in the business, in schools. You can use it in the account section. It is very important. So it is something good that you know how to deal with Excel. So without wastage of time, let me take you through the basic the basic Excel terminologies, okay, or the key Excel terminologies. So let me open to my Excel. So this is the interface of Excel. So in Excel, there are so many things as you can see here, but some of these things are the same in Word. They have not changed. So these tabs, these ribbons here, there are a lot of things here. So but for purposes of time, I've summarized some here. So the key ones, okay. So one is the workbook. We say a workbook is a file created in Excel that contains one or more sheets. So you can think of a notebook. So when I open my document here, now this is called, like you see, this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2, so this is sheet 3. I can add more sheets. So the combination of all these sheets here makes what we call a workbook. Okay, so that is it. Then the second thing here is a worksheet. A worksheet is a single page within a workbook made up of rows and columns. So this is where you enter and manipulate your data. So from here you can see this one here. This is sheet 4, this is sheet 3, this is sheet 3, this is sheet 4, sheet 2. So when you just select a sheet like this, okay, and you're able to work on it here, this is what we call the sheet. Okay, yeah, it is just like a book, a sheet of a book. So it performs that same function. So let's come to our cell. So we say that a cell, the intersection of a row and a column identified by unique address, e.g. A1. Cells can contain text, numbers, formulas, or functions. Now there are so many things here. So now, but for us, in this is what we call a cell. Have you seen that? This is what we call a cell. So this is what we call the cell reference or the name box. So we know that this is A1. This is the cell, an intersection of rows and columns. Okay, this is the row and this is the column. When they intersect, when these rows and columns intersect, they form what is called a cell. So that is it. And this is where now you're going to be entering your details, whether letters, you can enter numbers. Yes, that is where you're going to enter your information. So let's proceed. We have a row, a horizontal line of cells in a worksheet identified by numbers. Then column, a vertical line of cells in a worksheet identified by letters. So let me explain both of them. So we said that for a row, it is a vertical line. I think that I mean a horizontal. It is horizontal here. It moves this side. So they are labeled with letters A, B, A. No, sorry, they are labeled with numbers. Okay, this is a row. You see, the whole of this is a row. This is row 1. The whole of this is row 2. Okay, the whole of this from here up to the end here, this is row 3. Now we come to column. So for columns they are labeled using letters. This is column 1, this is column B, this is column A, this is column B, this is column C, this is column D. Are you seeing that? So And that is it. That's the difference between a row and a column. So this is a row, and then the vertical one is a column. So let's go to the next. Cell reference, I think I've talked about it. The address of a cell, which indicates its location in a worksheet, e.g. A1, B2. This is used in formulas and functions to refer to specific cells. So we talk about formula, an equation used to perform calculations on data, e.g. Uh, now this is what you call a formula. It is here. I think that yes. So now for a formula in Excel, for Excel to detect that this is a formula, you must start with an equal sign. It is a must. If you don't start with an equal sign, Excel will not know that it is a formula that you're trying to enter. So you first put an equal sign. After inserting the equal sign, then now you will enter the formula you want to add. Now if you want to add, yeah, you can add from there. If you want to subtract, you subtract from there. So after the equal sign, so that is it. So a function, like I can even demonstrate for you here. Let me demonstrate and you see. Now I'm trying to, I say that equal sign. Have you seen that? Now Excel, if you have to see here now, these ones here are disabled. So I can open a bracket, okay? Then you add, okay? You say 1 plus, no. So I have, let me